Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In previous session we have learned about that reproduction of plant. Plants can be reproduced through the different body parts of plant like stem, root, yes, leaves, and there are some plants which reproduce through spores. The plants like radish, turnip, asparagus, sweet potato, they go through roots. And the plants like sugar cane, roses, hibiscus, then potato, ginger, all these plants grow through their stems. Yes, then begonia, kalanchoe, sansevieria, bryophyllum, these plants grow through their leaves. Yes, we have learned this. Now in today's session we are going to learn about the new kinds of crops. First, what do you mean by crops? Crop means growing large number of plants of same kind at a place. Yes, that is called crop. Means we are growing same kind of plants at large scale. That is crop. You have seen the field of wheat. In that field only wheat plants are planted. So that is wheat is a crop because the same kind of plants we are growing there. Yes, so that is called crop. Wheat, rice, gram, then mustard, sunflower, bajra, jowar, all these are the crops. Then can we grow all the crops in each and every season? No. See, every plant or each crop needs a different weather condition. So depending on the condition they require, we are growing the plant. Then growing of these different kinds of crops for food purpose and any other purpose is known as agriculture. Yes, and India stood second in agriculture. China is first, India second, and United States ranks third. There are different kinds of crops. The crops which provide food are called food crops. For example, wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, gram, sugarcane, all these crops provide food and they satisfy the requirement of large number of people. Yes, then there is another crop that is called fiber crop. The crop that gives the grown for the fiber. We get fiber from these crops. For example, cotton, jute, yes, hemp, all these are the fiber crops. From cotton we are making clothes. Yes, from jute we are making gunny bags and bags. Yes, so these are the fiber crops. Third one is oil producing crops. Yes, we are getting crops, the crops which gives us oil. For example, groundnut, then mustard, sunflower, then castor, all these are the crops which gives us oil. And for getting that oil we are growing these crops, and these crops are called oil producing crops. Yes, so there are different kinds of crop: food crop, fiber crop and oil crop. From food crop we are getting food, then from fiber crops we are getting fiber, and from oil producing crop we are getting oil. Then we cannot grow all crops in one season, or we cannot grow all crops in each and every season, because different crops need different conditions to grow. According to the conditions we are growing the crops, and that is why we are sowing different crops in different season. See, there are two types of crops, that is kharif crops and rabi crops. It depends on in which period they are sown. Yes, the crops grown in winter, that is from November to April. These crops are called Rabi crops. Wheat, barley, peas, then mustard, groundnut, then potato, all these are the Rabi crops. The crops which are grown in summer, that is from June to October. Yes, these crops are called Kharif crops. The crops which are grown in summer, that is from June to October, are called Kharif crops. Maize, rice, then pulses are the examples of these. Bajra are the examples of the Kharif crops. Yes, so depending on the conditions required to grow these crops, we are sowing. Yes, and there are two crops, that is Kharif crop and Rabi crops. Getting? Then cauliflower, cabbage, peas, then radish, turnip, all these are grown during winter season. Then some fruits also. Not only the farmer is not growing only the crops, they are growing also fruit. Yes, and vegetables. They are growing vegetables and fruit too. So in different season we are getting different fruits. Oranges, grapes, apple we are getting in winter. So these are called winter fruits. Then watermelon, muskmelon, then mango, these we are getting in summer. So yes, so these are called summer fruits. To get the better and healthy crop and better yield, we have to take care. What kind of things we have to follow some steps. See, for this, to get the healthy crop and more yield, yes, we have to prepare soil for that. We have to use good quality of seeds. Then we have to irrigate them, means we have to give them water at their different stages of their growth. Then we have to add manure or fertilizers for better growth. Yes, they are getting the nutrients from this. So if to increase the fertility of that soil, we have to add fertilizers and manures. Yes, we have to add manure. And to protect these seeds from the insects and pests, we have to spray insecticide and pesticide. To kill the pest, we are using pesticide, and to kill the insects, we are using insecticide. So for the better yield and healthy crop, we have to add fertilizers to the soil, give regular spraying of this pesticide and insecticide. Then we have to irrigate them on proper time. We have to prepare soil, and we have to use the healthy seeds. Yes, in today's session we are going to stop here. So we have learned about the different kinds of crops. Yes, we have learned about the Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Hope you all understood this. Watch these videos again and again for the better understanding. So we are going to stop here. Bye.